Welcome to the last episode of my craft room makeover. I am so excited to show you how all the projects that we've been working on came together, and I just have a couple things to touch on in the beginning to finish things up, but it's showtime. Hey everyone, it's Sam from the Auntie Tay team, and you're watching The Sam Show. Let's go make some fun things. We worked on so many fun crafts, but I needed to finish up putting vinyl on my closet doors, sewing some pillow covers. I needed to put some new trinkets up, reorganize the glitter shelf, put my pillows in place, and okay. Are you guys ready for the big reveal? Psych! We gotta see the before and see how far we've come. Are you guys ready to see it? Come on in. What do you guys think? I absolutely love it. Now there's a couple things that I still need to work on, but I think that's what a craft room is, a continuous project. So thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys loved it. See you next time.